Hey everyone, we are back here again with another home tour here for you. With a 3-bedroom, 3 full baths. Let's take a look. This one was built in 1960, but has been remodeled recently. I do like that they are drought friendly here with the nice plants and the mulch. I love this style of door right here. Solid wood. Yeah, this one is 1,856 square feet. Closet right there. Fill out the coat. As soon as you step in, large windows create a lot of natural light. You can see the pool from the back. You got your recessed lighting here. Super open floor plan. Go straight to the kitchen. You got this really large island right here with the wood countertop and a sink. With 3 nice, beautiful lights. Gorgeous gorgeous cabinets and countertops. And a lovely backsplash too. This is a champ right here. Then you got your stainless steel farmhouse sink. They really thought this through. You got your chef's cooktop right here. Gas burner. Man. Microwave and oven right here for you. This is a 2-car garage right through here. But we're thinking there was either a wine fridge here, but if you do not have a wine fridge, I would just stack up more shelves for more storage. Quick look in the garage. 2-car sink right here for washing. Some laundry, water softener right here, tankless water heater, wash dry hookups. Then you have an extra room right over here, which was put in because this is not original to the house. Because other homes are like 3-bedroom, 2 baths, 1,600 square feet. This one is 3-bedroom, 3 full baths, 1,856 square feet. You got a gas fireplace right here. Let's go on outside. Beautiful pool area. Man, the concrete feels nice and smooth around here. Your pool hookups. Beautiful shade with this tree. You got new fencing, just not that neighbor. Yeah. And you also got newer HVAC too. And newer roof. Barbecue station over there. Go back inside. And this is a laminate flooring here. You've got your Nest thermostat, really cool. And over here is your furnace, which was newer as well. Bada bing, bada boom. First bathroom. Nice light fixtures, nice mirror, mini backsplash. Beautiful tile floor. And bath and tub combination. And we'll go to our first bedroom, which is going to be towards the backyard. As you can see, the pool. Fan in the in all of the rooms, which is amazing, especially in this climate in California, more specifically in Sacramento. Linen closet right here. Second bedroom. Closet space over here. This one is looking towards the front with another ceiling fan. See if I can pan this out for you. With this home bathroom. Bing, bada, boom. Lovely tile countertop. This one is just a shower. Your light fixtures and your mirror, medicine cabinet. And last but not least, we've got your primary bedroom, recessed lighting with the ceiling fan, barn door with a solid wood. Come over here and pan out for you. And you've also got the screen door to look out to your beautiful backyard. Cover the flooring. Nice marble countertop. Man, beautiful light fixtures, nice mirrors, solid wood, vanity. And you've got 3 shower heads, 1, 2, and 3. Oh, excuse me, 4. So, you want to get clean, you will be clean. Beautiful slate tile flooring. Separate area for the bathroom. And huge closet. Super organized too. I'm just walking around. Recessed lighting as well. I want to see. But yeah, that is all that we have. So this home is amazing. It was remodeled here recently and is in an amazing neighborhood in Greenwood Oaks. It is super peaceful, very quiet, nice and amazing parks, good schools, and it's close to American River College, which is a good one, and a good one in Los Rios. But y'all take care, enjoy yourselves, see you on the next one.